Mitudo koda nek mar miyo moro ma jahigni 44 mano Rael Cherop biwot ibiro dine tesend obila kuom dara 11 mabiro. Mendi kaluwore koda ng'eto ma jael buche madoma Eldoret okang' mane omiyo okwach kich thuolo mar dhi nyime kod timo nonro malong'o ewi nek makamano. Nonro mar okwach kich yango ni mosenindo biwot nowuok e kar tich mare thuolo machuok motelo ne saa 1 mar odhiambo ka gin gi jaode Francis Mwangi mobila osemako. Obila yango ni Recho biwot notho kaluwore koda hinyruok e ng'ute kod wiye mainso nogoye kod ligangla.
The person who lost his life was killed in a very highly suspicious manner, that we suspect that there was a human hand that was involved, and we also suspect that the family needs justice, and we pray that justice be seen to be done. We've heard in the recent times of killings, senseless killings that have happened in this country. We've heard that the body of the deceased was found dismembered in different locations of this country. That is the most heinous crime that has ever happened in this entire continent of Africa. And we shall be seeing as it unravels, but we are praying that justice be done. That is all we are asking for on behalf of the family.